Hi, my name is Kim McDonough. I'm a postdoctoral fellow with the Partnership for Healthy Communities at the University of Delaware. I'll be presenting community engaged design, implementation, and evaluation of a sports program in a juvenile justice facility. So, back in 2016, the state of Delaware's Division of Youth Rehabilitative Services, specifically the administration at the Ferris School for Boys, identified a need and motivation to implement a spring sport for young men committed to a period of confinement in the level 5 juvenile correctional facility. The administration partnered with myself and several community volunteers to enhance the capacity for sports program design, delivery, and evaluation. And we've run that program now for 5 years. So, what we know from the larger literature is that youth who are incarcerated in the US have been found to have decreased levels of physical activity and worse general health over a lifetime. Due to high levels of incarceration in the US, specifically among Black youth and adults, incarceration has been identified as a contributor to racial health disparities. So, in working with DYRS and the Fair School for Boys to develop and implement the program and to address parallel gaps in the scholarly literature, we outlined a logic model that was collaboratively constructed with facility partners and participating youth, reflecting key aspects of the existing program. The logic model, as seen here, has supported program planning, implementation, and preliminary evaluation within our program and can help assist in the development of practice based evidence on sport programs in other juvenile justice settings. Now, we utilize a participatory evaluation framework, which emphasizes collaborative partnerships between evaluators and community members. And I just want to show very briefly some of the preliminary findings that we have in speaking with players and coaches. We heard comments in regards to building positive identity and pro-social relationships, which you can see from the logic model are midterm effects. So one player said, I love being a part of this team. This is the first time I've ever played sports. I never played on a team before, but I picked it up really quick. It's because of the good coaches. It shows you how to work with other people, to think first, and to not go off on your anger, on your aggression and your anger. Of course, none of this work would be possible without our partners, the supportive administration staff of DYRS, community volunteers across the state of Delaware, and the Delaware chapter of USA Lacrosse, and most importantly, the young men of Ferris whose resilience, whose drive, and whose dreams provide the motivation for this team. Thank you so much for your time.